everyone associated with this party and the ongoing protests, including the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, the Honorable Martha Karua, the leaders of minority, and a host of Azimio governors and members of parliament have had their security withdrawn.
We know its members wear civilian clothes. They travel in groups of 5 people from one ethnic community. They are heavily armed with lethal weapons. This is a group that last week killed people in Kamukunji, Mlolongo, and Jogoo roads. They fired at people from unmarked green, black, gray, silver, red, and white, mostly Subaru vehicles. They also fired from one gray Toyota Succeed KBD 612G.
That although Kenya is not at war, all police and other security officers have been recalled from leave to deal with protesters. The provisions of the Constitution on the right to protest notwithstanding, Ruto is at war, not just with Azimio, but with the entire Kenyan population, especially those who do not support him.
This is how dictatorship starts, by chipping away at the Constitution and established traditions, suspending civil liberties, the rule by decree, repression of political opponents, not abiding by the procedures of the rule of law.
We appeal to them to resist being used to provide cover to tribal militia that kills people in the name of policing. A time comes when all the crimes will be answered for by everyone involved, including Ruto himself. They need to think and think again before committing these crimes against citizens.
They have been silent when people are getting killed here. Why would it take someone from Geneva to issue a statement that was issued? And they are here and they have not spoken. We will engage them at our convenience. Thank you very much.